Hello everyone. Welcome to the installation tutorial for PLUMB. In this issue, we are talking about the tailgate extension platform of M1 series. It has many functions. First of all, let's take a look. It has a camp light pole on the side. Light stand. It is retractable. It is possible to unscrew the retractable. Then we were equipped with two equipment packages. One of the equipment package is empty, for everyone to put a variety of items. Another equipment package we look at. We are factory equipped with this camp light. Put this camp light in this backpack, wired inside, and the light board, and a control. This camp light is wireless. What about our expansion platform? There are two functions. Let's show you after installation. First of all, we need to go to the tailgate first to remove this plate. We're going to put a bracket inside that we've reinforced. Remove these screws. Here we are going to take this shell off. We are going to go ahead and put this part above. Go pull it out. The following side will go straight to the demolition can. You can see the bracket in my hand. This one has two. I went to install to this position. This side is installed in this position. There is also a bracket on the lower. We need to go to the spare tire to remove. After removing this, we go to the following three screws to remove. Including these two nuts all have to be removed. You can look at the back. It's in this location. There are exactly three screws. We need to go to the rubber pad also to remove. You can see I have two bags of screws in my hand. One package is the internal screws. Another package of this is the external screws. When we need to install the bracket, we will need to use this internal screw. You can read it, in the left hand position. We need to go to a pad. Here we start to install this above the bracket. And this side. Use the original screws. And this one on our left. Use the screws from our screw kit. The following bracket has been installed. There are also two short screws like this. Screw in from here. The four screws on top of this. Follow this picture to install the screws to its position. So that we inside this bracket, inside the bracket is all installed. After the installation we went to install the original car this plate on. Here we go to install the remaining screws on the board. Use original screws. This package of screws is the external bracket screws. There are two round aluminum pads in it. Installed in this position, aluminum spacer with a slot in it. Notch facing up. The same is true for the other. There are also two short. Installed in this position. Installed according to the picture pattern. Final fixing bracket. Let's start installing our platform. We need to go ahead and reverse the placement. First put in the following 2 screws. Then fixed with nuts. There are 2 knobs on top. Lock it. Now we have this tailgate multifunctional platform installed. Let's show the results. It is open in both directions. First open the top knob. Open. So that we can take out the original car back panel items. The second one opens like this. Open the lower latch. Put it on order to open. Take a look at, there is a limit hole. The opposite direction is there is a positioning, just the right place to put our wire position hole, so that it will have better strength. The strength is very high, everyone can use it with confidence. Then the 2 sides of the windbreak will be convenient if you need to cook outdoors next. It is very practical, it can play a role in blocking the wind. This is a full-size chopping board, including the largest model of outdoor camping pots and pans. All can fit. All can fit. Then we look at the location of our camp lights. Camp lights, we are equipped with this LED light board. Let's put this LED light board fixed up. And can be elongated. Everyone take a look, just twist off. Stretch and then twist at each section is a rotation fixed. Everyone can stretch it to the length you want. Then we can look at the line. This line with it has 2 ways. One is the positive and negative battery. The other is the cigarette lighter, power jack that can be fixed to the trunk. Now we close it. Everyone look at the effect of its closure is very thin. Let's focus on this position. Here you can go and fix any item you want to fix, including our factory configured packages. You can put it in this position. It is also very convenient for everyone to use.